It seems like everybody's carrying AirPods around now, AirPods Pro, but what happens if you take these out near water? You can get a waterproof case for your AirPods Pro now from Catalyst, and they have some other cool new options. So this is a minimal case for AirPods, the original, and basically just gives you a thing to hook it on to your pants or your purse. There's some other skins. So these skins are a little more affordable, and they're just some cool designs. They are not waterproof. The skins here are not, but this style, which is new, is waterproof. It comes in there, and they also make these for the original AirPods in a variety of colors. So there's some really cool options here. And then these ones are pretty cool because the base, you can see, is a little bit different. So it's designed if you want to keep your AirPods standing up. So these are really cool new options. They range from $19.99 to $24.99, and these are available now. And if you're looking for a way to protect your AirPods from scratches or from water, definitely check these out. The value is really good, and they just look and feel really nice. We'll have links down in the description so you can check out more about the Catalyst AirPods cases.